Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have this for sale, a Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So this is the range topping Triumph for the Street Triples at the minute. The most powerful engine that they have on these 765s is 123 brake horsepower. This one is a 17 on a 17 plate, 5,707 miles, and these RSs are really well equipped, and it's got a few bits on it as well. So, you'll have seen down there just a minute ago, it's got the Brembo M50 monoblock brakes on this. You've also got an Ohlins shock, and this one has the seat cowl that's colour coded and a tail tidy too. These bikes come with a full colour TFT display, so they look amazing. You've got 5 different rider modes, and you've also got a quickshifter on these as well, so they're absolutely brilliant. So, coming down this side of the bike, you've got a radiator guard in there. You've also got some funky billet bar and mirrors, and if you come down here, you'll see this bike has got the proper genuine Triumph quickshifter as well. And, actually, I've just seen there, a little bit of R&G, crash protection, paddock stand spools. Right, let's give it a start up so you can hear that classic Triumph whistle. And there we have it, what a great bike these are. If you fancy this one, all you've got to do is give us a call or just simply pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.